In this video, I am going to tell you about the cardinal number of a set, or simply cardinality of a set. The number of elements in set A is called the cardinal number of set A. The cardinal number of set A is denoted by n of A. n of A means the number of elements in A. Cardinal number of a set वो नंबर होता है जो कि उस सेट में एलिमेंट्स की तादाद को रिप्रेजेंट करता है और उसको हम n of a से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, let a equal to 3, 4, 6, 11 and we are to find the cardinality of set A, means the number of elements in set A. So the number of elements in set A is 4, or the cardinal number of set A is 4, or the cardinality of set A equal to 4. Another example, let B equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on, are the set of positive even integers. So what is the cardinality of set B? So here the number of elements in set B are infinite. So we can say that the cardinality of set B is infinity. So number of element in B equal to infinity. Now shortcut for cardinality of consecutive integers. For this we take an example. Let A be the set of consecutive integers from 21 to 78. So what is the cardinality of set A? For this, cardinality of set A equal to largest number of the set A minus smallest number of the set A plus 1. So the largest number of the set A equal to 78 minus, and the smallest value of set A equal to 21 plus 1. So we get the cardinality of set A equal to 58. Thank you.